This is the number nobody shows you. 0. That was my account balance. My life savings. Gone. Not because I was lazy, not because I didn't study, not because I didn't try, but because this industry was designed for me to lose. And if you've ever traded, the truth is, it's designed for you to lose too. They lied to us. The gurus, the brokers, the fake success stories. They fed us dreams. They sold us fantasies. And they cashed out on our pain. But this story doesn't end at 0. Because from this 0, I rose. And this channel, this community, is about nothing but the brutal truth. So if you're new here, welcome to Rise from 0. If you're returning, thank you for walking this journey with me. Subscribe now if you want the truth about Forex the world doesn't want you to hear. And to all my subscribers, stay until the end of this video, because what I'm about to share may save your entire trading life. When I first discovered Forex, it felt like I had found the hidden key to life. Everywhere I looked, ads, YouTube videos, Instagram gurus, they promised me freedom, financial independence in 30 days. Quit your job with one simple strategy. Support and resistance is all you need to master the market. I saw Lamborghinis, mansions, screens full of green profits, and I believed it. I was sold the same dream you were sold. If you've ever fallen for this fantasy, drop a comment below. Let's build truth together. I opened my first account. At first, it worked. A few lucky wins, some green trades, and suddenly, I thought I had cracked the code. Arrogance crept in. I increased my lot size. I broke my rules. And then, the market humbled me. One trade turned red, then another, until my account was gone. I remember staring at the screen all night, my chest tight, my head spinning. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't eat. I couldn't tell anyone. I thought I was fighting the market, but in reality, I was feeding the system. If you're new here, hit subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. You're the reason we keep exposing the truth. The deeper I dug, the more I realized Forex is not what it seems. They told us Forex is a marketplace, buyers and sellers, just like any other market. But in truth, it's a casino, and the house always wins. Brokers don't make money when you win. They make money when you lose. A-book, B-book, 2 words that changed my entire view of trading. A-book brokers pass trades to liquidity providers. B-book brokers take the other side of your trade. In most of the industry, B-book, meaning your broker profits directly from your losses. Support and resistance, the lines they taught us, are not what banks trade. Banks hunt those levels. They move prices to wipe out traders stacked behind those lines. If you've ever wondered why your stop loss always gets hit before price moves your way, this is why. Pause here. If you're still watching, you're different. You care about the truth. Subscribe now, and after this video, go watch the next one, because we're building a full series on exposing this system. I reached my lowest point. Every account was blown, every dollar gone. My family doubted me, friends laughing behind my back. I sat there, staring at the charts, asking myself one question. Am I a fool? Or is the system designed to make me one? That was the breaking point. I was ready to quit, to walk away, to accept that Forex was nothing but a scam. But then, something in me refused to stay down. I began to study differently. Not YouTube strategies, not paid signal groups, not support and resistance. I started looking at how banks move money, how liquidity works, how manipulation is engineered. And slowly, the truth unfolded. Trading wasn't about winning fast. It was about losing slowly, surviving long enough to see the bigger picture. My first disciplined trades didn't make me rich, but they stopped me from going broke. And for the first time, I realized this game isn't about chasing dreams. It's about protecting yourself from the system designed to crush you. To all new subscribers, welcome. To my loyal family, thank you for being here. And don't forget, after this video, watch the next one in this series. It's all connected. Every lesson I carry today was carved into me by loss. Lesson 1, leverage is poison. I once turned $100 into $1,000 in a week and lost it all the next day. Lesson 2, brokers profit from your pain. The tighter the spread, the faster they bleed you. Lesson 3, signals are slavery. I paid gurus for trades and watched my account vanish while they got richer. Lesson 4, discipline beats strategy. Support and resistance, indicators, even smart money concepts. None of them matter without discipline. The brutal truth is this: the market does not care about your dreams. It only respects your discipline. Looking back now, I see 2 versions of myself. The old me, chasing signals, worshiping fake gurus, believing in lines on a chart. And the new me, disciplined, patient, and aware of how the game is really played. I didn't get rich overnight. I didn't find a magic system, but I rose from zero. And if I can, so can you. Because this is not just my story. This is our story. Every comment, every subscriber, every truth seeker here, you are rise from zero. Thank you to every new subscriber. Welcome to the family. And to my returning subscribers, you are the foundation of this movement. Don't just stop here. Watch the next video on this channel. Because the truth doesn't end with one story. It's a series. And if you miss the next one, you'll miss the full picture. This is Rise from Zero. And together, we rise. Now let's dive into the lie of support and resistance. What banks really trade. You've seen them. Those neat, clean lines on a chart. Support and resistance levels that gurus swear by. The holy grail of trading, they say. But here's the cold, hard truth. Banks don't care about your lines. Think about it. If trading were as simple as drawing lines on a chart, wouldn't everyone be rich? Wouldn't the markets be predictable? But they're not. And there's a reason for that. Banks, the true market movers, operate on a completely different level. They're not looking at your 1-hour chart, plotting support and resistance. They're moving billions, manipulating price, and hunting your stop losses. Let me break it down for you. When you place a trade based on support or resistance, you're essentially telling the market where you think it will turn. You're showing your hand. And the banks? They're counting on it. They see the clusters of stop losses just below support or above resistance. And what do? They push the price right through those levels, triggering a cascade of stops before reversing the move. It's not magic. It's not coincidence. It's calculated. I remember the day this reality hit me. I had a perfect setup. A beautiful support level, confluence with a moving average, even a nice candlestick pattern. Everything the gurus told me to look for. I entered the trade, set my stop loss, and waited for the profits to roll in. But instead of bouncing off support, the price sliced through it like butter. My stop loss was hit, and I watched in disbelief as the market immediately reversed, moving in my original direction. I was right about the direction, but I was played by the system. This isn't just my story. It's happening to thousands of traders every single day. They're following the rules, doing what they're taught, and still losing. Why? Because they're playing a game designed for them to lose. Banks don't trade support and resistance. They trade liquidity. They move price to where the money is, to where the stop losses are clustered, to where retail traders are most vulnerable. So what do banks really look at? Liquidity pools, order blocks, institutional order flow. These are the concepts that actually move markets. Not lines on a chart, but the flow of big money. When you understand this, trading changes. You stop being the prey and start thinking like the predator. You stop reacting to price and start anticipating moves. You stop following retail strategies and start aligning yourself with institutional players. But here's the catch. This knowledge isn't easy to come by. It's not something you'll learn in a weekend course or from a YouTube guru. It's a complete shift in perspective, a new way of seeing the markets. I spent years unlearning everything I thought I knew about trading. I dug deep into market microstructure, order flow, and institutional trading practices. And what I discovered changed everything. The markets aren't random. They're not unpredictable, but they don't move based on the simplistic concepts retail traders are fed. They move based on complex interplays of liquidity, order flow, and institutional positioning. Understanding this doesn't guarantee success, but it levels the playing field. It gives you a fighting chance in a game that's stacked against you. So here's my challenge to you. Question everything you've been taught about trading. Look beyond the surface. Dig deeper. Because the truth about how markets really work isn't pretty, but it's powerful. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into how banks actually trade. We'll explore concepts like liquidity pools, order blocks, and how to start thinking like an institutional trader. Because knowledge is power, and in the world of trading, it might just be the difference between blowing another account and finally breaking through. Remember, this journey isn't about getting rich quick. It's about understanding the game you're playing. It's about survival first, then success. It's about rising from zero together. If you're ready for the truth, if you're tired of the lies and the losses, hit that subscribe button. Join our community of truth seekers. Because in the world of Forex, knowledge isn't just power, it's survival. This is Rise from Zero, and we're just getting started. See you in the next video, where we'll pull back the curtain on how banks really trade. Stay strong, stay disciplined, and never stop learning. Together, we rise.